Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online once again, and hope everybody is doing pretty well. I know it's been a long time that we have met, and now I am back. I'm back again because I was quite occupied with many of my IELTS preparatory classes, my IELTS test, and so many other academic engagements. But now finally I'm back and I'm here with a new update that finally I have decided to bring a live IELTS webinar. And this is an IELTS PAL IELTS webinar 2023 and is going to be conducted in the last week of December 2023. So I'm going to announce it soon. You will be notified through my Facebook account, through my Instagram account, and my YouTube and my other social media channels. Okay, so the purpose of making this video again was simply that I just wanted to bring a new update in front of you, and that was this, that I am going to finally conduct my IELTS webinar for everybody live on my social media channels. Okay, so stay tuned with me, and in my live webinars you can ask me anything related to all the 4 skills of the IELTS, and I will try my level best to answer each and every of your queries. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care, and see you in my webinars 2023 for the IELTS. Thank you.